One of the key differentiator of Bennett MBA is also going to be the stress on entrepreneurship. So when you speak about stress on entrepreneurship, we are not only stressing on just to start a business, but we are also looking at how do you accelerate your business. If you already have a business, how do you accelerate it? And we actually provide the support for that. Now today, if you really wanted to make you to lead a business, you need three things. You need an idea, a very good idea. You also need correct contacts, which will help you to nurture the business, and you also need funding. Now, we actually provide all these three things indirectly or indirectly. The knowledge comes from the program and also the type of internships which are possible, which is also with corporates. We also have tie-up with Babson College and GSV Labs. So the student who is interested in taking up a business of his own or her own can actually look at taking some courses with Babson College, which is very well known globally for entrepreneurship, or can prefer the internship with GSV Labs or one of the ecosystems across the world. And as a part of the program, we are actually having events where the top executives and CEOs come to the campus and interact with the students. So this is actually going to be a major value add, and this value would come from the strength of the Times Group. So we will be able to bring people from various disciplines, various domains, and this actually will provide opportunity for the students to link with the CEOs. And we also have funding avenues which are possible because the VCs and potential investors also visit the campus, which also help you on that. In addition to that, the weekend workshops, which I said, also focuses on entrepreneurship, business consulting, using of the newer tools, and this all will be handled by people from the industry and practitioners. So whatever is the theoretical knowledge you get in the instruction is actually supplemented with it. So we are not saying that these two are separate. They are going to be together. The idea is to create day one managers and day one leaders. So that's going to be the emphasis of the program.